Yo, this is Razer's newly released wireless 65% keyboard, the Razer Black Widow V3 Mini. It comes with two switch types, green switches, which are tactile and clicky, and yellow switches, which are linear and silent. It has 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, and is rated up to 200 hours of battery life and is USB Type-C compatible. I got the model with yellow switches, and here's what they sound like. In my opinion, this is not worth the price tag of $180. Drop your thoughts down below. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Also, support me on Patreon for daily behind the scene content. It is linked in the description.